What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Naughty Girl by Victor J Sefo. This song was requested by Kamoi, so shout out to you. Hope you enjoy this, and the rest of you out there, if you have any other requests, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, let's get straight into it. First I'll play you guys the rundown of what it's going to sound like. So this is what it... So you just keep playing this all the way. So I just learnt this piece just about 5 minutes ago. This is a new song to me, so hopefully you guys can learn it as quickly as I can. But I'll take you through the lesson anyway. So first of all, no capo. So your first chord is going to be a bar chord. So you just cover all the strings with your index finger, and then you're going to put your pinky here on the 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd fret, and then your ring on top of it on the same fret, and then your middle finger. So then it's going to sound like this. So the way I pick it is I use this bass line here. So, and then I'm going to slide all these fingers 2 frets over. So 1 fret, 2 fret. Picking it the same way. And then I'm going to go back to the start, covering the 1st fret. I'm going to place my ring finger on this string here, 3rd fret, 2nd string, pinky underneath it on the same fret, and then I'm going to put my middle finger on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. If you can see here. So and I'm going to, these are the strings I'm going to pick. So sorry. And then I'm going to go to the 5th fret with another bar chord, but this time I'm going to put my middle finger onto this string here, on the 2nd to last string, and then I'm going to place my ring finger on the, what's this, the 7th fret on the 3rd string. So, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let go of these 2 fingers here, keeping this bar chord here, and I'm going to place my ring finger on the 2nd string on the 7th fret. So I'm actually not hitting that string, but it's just to get if you want to do a strumming sort of like sound, so you can play the song like. So for that last chord, I just picked these strings. So. Just back to the start again. So there you have it, people. Naughty Girl by Victor J Sefo. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks for tuning in once again. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, turn on your notifications. I do my best to post up every week. So thanks for your support, your comments, your requests, and for the likes as well. But for now, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Take care. Peace.